Satka Iron Smelting Works is one of the oldest works of the Urals. It was founded by renowned Russian manufacturers the Stroganovs 2.5 centuries ago. The works was famous for producing high-quality pig iron for defense industry. From the beginning of the 21st century, the new life has started and Satka Iron Smelting Works has created its own chapter of the works history. Due to the process that optimizes business and has market orientation, it has become possible to launch the production of new kind of metal for residents of Satka city. On the 7th of November in 2002, Satka Iron Smelting Works produced the first ton of blast furnace high-carbon ferromanganese. Satka ferromanganese has become the high-class product due to the change of melting conditions and the technology of liquid metal ladling out. By 2007, the works has achieved the best production data. As a result, Satka Iron Smelting Works has become #1 in Russia. Technological level meets all requirements and standards of high performance and competitiveness in the world market and exists only in Satka Iron Smelting Works. Satka ferromanganese is present in every ton of Russian steel. It is also very popular at industrial enterprises in the countries of West Europe and Middle East. To date, Satka Iron Smelting Works has established itself as a leader of producing blast furnace and high-carbon ferromanganese. Nowadays, we produced about 100,000 tons of ferromanganese per year. That is estimated at 3% of overall world production of this kind of ferroalloys. Moreover, we invest in technical equipment and modernization, create new production, reconstruct former production that will allow us to establish ourselves in the world market. Next stage of development and innovation has greatly modernized production at Satka Iron Smelting Works. The electric furnace shop has been put into operation where production fines are sintered into ferromanganese of large size. This proprietary technology of Satka Iron Smelting Works is unique in Russia and abroad. The reconstruction of air supply in line and blast heater for blast furnace #1 has been completed at blast furnace shop. High technology for an refractory was used there. Hot blast temperature was increased more than 100 degrees. The recycling and shipping shop is completely reconstructed. The crushing and grading complex, screen, traveling crane are installed. As a result, the process of ferromanganese crushing has been significantly improved and fines output has been reduced. The technology of X-ray radiometric separation for technogenic raw materials (SOTIN) is successfully developed at slag processing area. Today it has become possible to get commercial ferromanganese and heavy slag from production waste and use these products in the blast furnace. The complex for processing of slag dump is also put into operation. Due to air separation, it is possible to obtain ferromanganese and manganese concentrate that are free from contamination in the final stage of production. The heat electric generating plant is also noticeable at Satka Iron Smelting Works. A new boiler that has contributed to increase of steam generation and reduction of electricity costs is installed there. To date, Satka Iron Smelting Works is solving no less grandiose problems. The metallurgists have decided to modernize ferroalloy capacities and lay stress on production of expensive ferromanganese grades. Satka Iron Smelting Works is going to realize a large-scale capital investment project to increase the competitiveness, reduce production costs and become independent from market conjuncture. This project is estimated at 5 billion rubles and designed up to 2020. The investments into this large-scale project provide the creation of agglomeration production for raw materials preparation, sintering of small-size manganese ore. Moreover, these investments also provide the creation of converter production for processing high-carbon ferromanganese into medium-carbon, low-carbon and ultra-low-carbon ferromanganese by means of refining. It was necessary to reduce industrial risks for realization of above-mentioned intentions of Satka Iron Smelting Works. The reconstruction of old hydraulic engineering installation at the city pond was one of main tasks among core measures. As a part of a long-term target-oriented program, Satka Iron Smelting Works took the initiative to modernize single industry Satka city. 270 million rubles were appropriated from the investment fund of Russian Federation and government of Chelyabinsk region for modernizing single industry Satka city. In 2010, reconstruction works began, and in August in 2012 a new dam started functioning. This capital investment project has been on the list of strategic directions of the Urals Federal District. Furthermore, the project is one of the most interesting and elaborated that can contribute to new development of the Urals regions. Nowadays, there is a large-scale construction site in the territory of the works. Foundation work, installation of columns under building frame, mounting of crane facilities at the stock of raw material storage and agglomerating shop are currently underway. The construction of agglomerating plant is the most large-scale and innovative project of Satka Iron Smelting Works. The completion of construction is going to be realized in summer next year. The technology adoption will allow us to lower production costs and partly utilize blast furnace waste, tailings and blast furnace dust. Next stage is the creation of converter process that will also allow us to diversify our products into high-carbon, medium-carbon and low-carbon ferroalloys. The prospect of investments is really significant, but we feel confident about about our future, and we will definitely achieve our goals. The innovative project will allow Satka Iron Smelting Works to diversify its risks and increase its market share. This project will also make it possible to provide Russian enterprises with full range of ferromanganese, reduce the product import to our country. That will definitely reduce the dependence of metallurgists on foreign market. Despite Satka Iron Smelting Works' centuries-old age, it has managed to take up the leading position in producing ferroalloys. Satka Iron Smelting Works, that is situated in the center of a huge continent, uses the ore from Africa and Kazakhstan and delivers its products all over the world – Russia, Europe, Eastland.